Whenever you wash, think about your gym clothes. They release really small fibers into the water that ultimately ends up into our sewer systems, and then it goes into our waterways. Some research does show that using extremely hot water or hot water settings increases microplastic release. Because it is synthetic, your fibers are quicker to break down. Avoiding really hot water settings, doing it in cold water settings. So microplastic release just does not happen only in laundering phase, it also happens in the drying phase. As we put these synthetic fabrics into our drying machines, they weaken the fabric even more. Especially clothes which are synthetic do not need drying machine because they can quickly dry out. You can just hang dry, and most of these synthetic fabrics are quick dry ones. Avoid using lint papers. That is again one more level of plastic-based thing to be using in our drying machines. You can use other things like wool drying balls. It's natural, does the same exact function as a lint sheet, and avoids again an extra level of microplastic pollution. As you're choosing your laundry detergents, I would strongly encourage people to actually look at the ingredients. There are lots of labels which are now in place to say safe chemicals, plant-based. Are they safe chemicals, forever chemicals? And there's a lot of legislation going in not using forever chemicals. So being aware of what is being used in your detergent would be really helpful. Using full loads, because there's energy required, there's water required. While we do have smart and efficient washing machines, it is just waste of energy and electricity if you're doing 2 half loads. So waiting till the full load of clothes. Microplastics are not visible to naked eye. If you're thinking nothing is going from my clothes, that's a misconception, because as we wash our clothes, microplastics, microfibers are released in the waterways.